So I hope I've given you some ideas. I hope I've given you some extra revenue streams where your favorite products that you use, the things that you promote in your videos, or the things that you get questioned a lot about. If somebody says, "Hey, that's a really cool thing in your front foyer," where did you get that from? Oh, we bought it from IKEA or whatever. Terrible example. But then you say, go to PNUK, whatever your Brandly is, PNUK .co/ sofa. That's where I got that sofa from. And for everybody you recommend, you get paid 15% of every sofa you sell. Affiliate marketing in 2020 and beyond is an easy thing to do when you do it the easy way. So rather than trying to remember crazy links, so these links here are all my payout pages to things that I recommend, right? But the links I don't have to remember, or I can remember them off the top of my head. So right, so if I go here, Zoho, PNUK Zoho, pnuk.zoho.eu, place it, pnuk.co, place it, Shopify, pnuk.co, Shopify, Teachable, right? Podbean, pnuk.co/Podbean. I just got paid $50, I think, from Podbean. So affiliate marketing is really easy, and it adds the revenue to your creative streams, to your social media pages, and all things like that. You do have to put a little thing that says partner link in here. So you see this one, start your partner link. You do have to put it's an affiliate link, right? You have to let people know. So I hope that was a quick run through, and I know it gets confusing, but if you've got any questions, ask away. I'll help you out, and I'll try and get you up and running and earning you a little bit more revenue on the side from your front end creative or wherever you started out. Cheers, guys.